What is good, YouTube? How are you? All right, so I'm gonna do a quick unboxing and I guess, I don't know, basic review of this product that was last purchased on the 22nd. Today is now the 23rd, and we're gonna see what we have here. I love this Amazon like packaging, honestly. I love to just rip into it. What it needs is a perforation in it. Oh dang, it's probably really what's the word I'm looking for? Eco-friendly, sustainable materials. All right, this thing, as you can see, retails roughly about that amount. So it's the Black & Decker Dustbuster Advanced Clean Cordless Handheld Vacuum CHV1410L. So let's see if that matches up here. CHV1410L. I love this product. I had something like this that I got free on Craigslist once upon a time, but let's look at the packaging. Everything looks pretty straightforward. Open one side. Is this lithium-ion batteries? Sure is. Lithium-ion batteries have been known to what I think the fire department refers to as a thermal threat, meaning they explode, they combust. Piece of paper. More pieces of paper. As you can see here, it's paper, let's see here, 2017. This product really should be a lot cheaper if I'm not mistaken. I realize Amazon's a hit and miss with some doodads and doohickeys, but I'm not complaining. You're the one complaining. All right. What I love about this product is very simple to use. It has a mounted charging base. I love that stand charging base. I don't like ones that you have to plug into a little USB. I just like having, because to me a dustbuster, things like this is something that you use often, and it's not something I want to have to keep plugging into a little tiny space on the wall. I want it readily available, accessible, all of that jazz. So I'm gonna just plug this in. As you can see, this is the charger, the components. This looks pretty straightforward. This is bagless, and what I love, I believe, is that this filter comes right out, and then you wash it out. So, no fucking way. Which one is this? Yeah, so you take it, you twist. Which way do you twist? They said you twist, right? So you have this part here. You twist, you rinse. This is more of like, this is some sort of microfiber material, synthetic most likely. And you rinse it out. You let it dry, just make sure it's completely dry. You slide this bitch back in so. Alright, I'm fucking up here. Oh man. Fucking instructions. Who needs instructions these days? Nobody needs instructions. Don't tell me how to fucking use that thing. That thing. Most products these days are so ergonomic and intuitive that you'd be a retard to get it wrong. Look at that neat little feature. So this is the 16-volt lithium, and then this is the feature I love the most. Woo boy! You push in here for it to go back in. You drop that beat like so. What the fuck? Like so. I like that it kind of stands at a weird angle. Yes, bootins. I'm gonna take this bad boy over here. I'm gonna bust this cable out. I don't recommend yanking on your cable, but I just want to get this shit straightened without cane. You know what I'm saying? And boom, you got the light. Let you know it might be thinking. Let's see. Oh, all right, you know what? Since this thing is already working, it's 5 minutes into this video. We're gonna go straight for a real life test. This is another product I picked up on Amazon. It's a futon mattress of sorts. That right there is baking soda lying on top of what was sprayed rubbing alcohol. And the trick is to clean mattresses. Yeah, I might have, what was the word I'm looking for? I think I soiled the mattress in that particular area. And I just wanna get all of the gunk out. So I'm gonna do one of them jammies. And here you go. Maybe I don't need this Russell piece here. Maybe I should do the extendo. Getting toyed. I tell you what, works like a fucking charm. Looks like the battery dies pretty quickly. Well, that's good enough for me. There you have it. If this product does not last very long, once it's charged fully, you know, that means, you know, you keep it on there for quite some time. It's my experience that these things will not fail you. Let's see what happens here. I'll just leave that bitch right there and tidy up the rest of this shite. Give you a quick view of the manual. This is for these 3 models, so that means they probably all have very similar features. Warning, do not charge the battery at ambient temperatures. That's below 39 and above 104. You can mount it to the wall. What the fuck? How do you mount it to the wall? That's probably the other model. Anyways, there you have it.